Welcome.
Stupid ass fucking birds, bro.
I don't know.
That shit is nasty.
Yeah. Yeah, shit from my lip load.
You see this shit? You see this, bro?
Fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro?
And I can't even be like,
see the mustache too, right?
Yo. I thought I ordered a large.
Large what?
Is this a large?
I don't know what the fuck that is.
That probably went with your fucking burger.
I
Stupid piece
wanted
of
a large, you fat fuck.
Boy, suck dick. Stop fucking touching me, bro.
And I ate these shits, bitch. Or what? Fucking.
Bro, move.
You lucky I didn't want to pursue that. Can you give me that shit, bro?
No, bro. Shit don't even work, scrub.
Mukbang with the game.
Niggas a fucking retard.
Second book,
But I don't mean
Tuck these fucking nuts out your
What's
throat.
poppin' YouTube? You feel me?
these signals.
Back here with another video. Give me that shit.
Shit up either.
That's where I started live.
No!
Here.
Stop nutting everywhere.
No, bitch.
You gay!
Damn, bro, this is a good burger.
Alright, give it to me.
What's going on YouTube?
Yo, you got this shit
OBF
on
back here with another
leverage,
video,
bro.
and
You
we about to
bugging.
go crazy. Well, we just chilling. You feel me?
Bro, give me that shit, bro.
Where'd you put it, bro?
I am gone.
Yo, you know what? Ain't nothing but a thing,
Now
shit.
you gotta do the aux again.
Oh, you're right. No,
you
actually,
gotta
I'm
do
not.
it.
I'm about to do this.
What?
It's the video.
Ever.
Word, though. You feel me? Gang in it.
Come on, sit the fuck down.
No, I am actually.
Bro, I just dropped my phone, Scott. Boy, you know.
Come on, you're doing too much. Okay, bro, come on.
Fucking shit. Why is you outside of the car, though?
I came over here
You
so
want some smack shit.
Oh my god. Yo. I swear.
I don't got it no more, bro.
Give me the fucking shit, bro.
I don't have anything.
I swear to God, I don't got it.
You got it.
No, I don't.
Bro, you know I don't have that
What's
shit.
up, bro?
Bro, I've been drinking the whole time. Back up, bro.
Fuck is it at?
Back up, bro.
Come on, y'all be doing too damn much.
Why are you
bruh.
out of the car?
Myself right now.
That shit just sitting in the front seat cooling and he over here playing.
You gotta be quicker than that.
Alright, it's up there, bro. Move around, Scott.
It's up there. It's stuck there. You don't.
I should have been touching that shit the whole time.
Yeah, you dumb as a bitch. You should have been focused on the sandwich.
Bro, that shit gonna make me throw up. Ew.
Yeah, this nigga, my ear is fucking aggravated.
My city is man. You ever watch Kodak Black series on YouTube, City War?
Pull the fuck
That shit is
off.
crazy.
Why are we still here?
That's fire.
Yeah, it actually is, no cap.
That shit's nasty.
Like, how you eating that shit?
I'm hungry as a bitch.
Just
That ain't-
dirty
that-
ass
that-
bitch
you still got a headache?
in the camera, too.
Look how this nigga eat, bro.
What are you saving that for later?
Hell yeah. I'm big grrr in a bit.
Let me show you that thing later.
Lunch at work tomorrow. I was playing. I don't got work tomorrow.
You saying,
Yes.
boy, fuck football.
Week 1.
We won the Churchville.
No cap, what I should put behind, like, we should really play some unreleased for these niggas, though.
Man, play these fucking nuts.
Why the fuck do you have them shades on?
Bro, I just found them, so I didn't want to put them away. So where we going now?
Nigga, what's up?
I had the lick.
I'm about to
Now
go
you
pee,
niggas
bro.
taking-
Yeah, you not gonna be able to do nothing, bro.
Like, you're full of shit right now.
Yeah.
You can't
what?
even move, fool.
Bitch, I'm not full. Suck my dick.
But stop showing up.
Skinny on you niggas real
Right,
quick.
Big skinny.
Alright,
Right?
here go my phone. Monica. Bitch says she at work.
Bro, what's up with the, you know?
Where we
Give me
going,
the
bro?
fucking charger.
Oh, you know what, bro? We gotta go. The lever.
What?
Cut this out. I'll be capping. I can really edit this shit.
Oh, yeah, hit her up at 7.
Yeah. 7:18.
You want to go back to Gates anyway.
I'm calling her right now. Oh, bow. Bow, bow. Yo.
Let's go to Gates, because I'm trying to
You
roll
still
out.
need that? Oh, I'm about to slide then. Match it. What? Y'all about to cop some blame. Look at Serena looking tired.
Ain't
I
nobody
don't
seen
care about that shit, bro.
Did you throw my
Nobody
sandwich
care
out?
about that shit like that.
My
bro.
fucking sandwich, bro.
Oh, you threw that nigga sandwich
Give
out.
me my fucking sandwich,
Yo,
bro.
you might as well cop. You fucking playing, yo.
Yo, you just.
Blessing y'all. I had a whole pack reserve, a blessed ass pack.
Hey, that was
Boy,
beautiful.
what?
Oh my god.
This whole.
My pad, we rolling up.
Yeah, you about to roll this in the air. Get fucking crazy, my ear. Let's go.
Shred.
Woo!
Bro, straight, my nigga. Literally.
Now I'm about to pop another edible though.
You're dirty. Them shits is some nasty as fuck. That nigga
Did they hit?
no milk, no flour.
Did they hit, bro?
Flour? Shut the fuck up, my ear.
Isn't that what you put in the batter?
No
I
milk
like
and
that.
no flour?
That's
Duh,
what the
they-
fucking. Yeah.
This sounds stupid as a bitch. Shut up. Oh, this fuck, bruh. What's poppin', vlog? This little nigga's fucking retarded.
Why go this fucking way?
I got a big. Alright, what's up, though? We coolin'. Vlog shit. You was been supposed to get on the fucking expressway.
We about to go the other way.
Where, bro, I'm not going through the city, bro. We're not a city, but I'm not about to go through the burbs, do all of this extra shit.
Telly got the best chicken.
Look at it. All right.
Where the fuck is you going? You want to?
Woo! Alright, bro. Stop it. And then
You're supposed to turn right here again.
No, we're about to go straight.
Stop it, bro.